Hi everyone. Let's work through a very brief horizontal and vertical analysis demonstration. We'll do so using exercise 13-5, and we're looking at the comparative balance sheets of Philip Morris Corporation. In Part A, we're asked to present a horizontal analysis of the balance sheet data using 2000 as the base, and they also want us to show the amounts of the increase and the decrease. We'll get to Part B in a minute. Now, I've staged the data down below in Excel, pulling from the information above. All I've done is recopied it so that we can save some time. Well, they've asked us to put in the increase and decrease, so why don't we do that? And I've copied the formulas off camera to save some time. I'll drop that in there. And what you'll see is all we're doing is taking the information in column E, which is 2001, and subtracting it from the prior year in every period. Same formula to determine the increase or decrease. Okay? This is a horizontal analysis. So then let's determine the percentages. Again, I've staged this off to the side. Let's drop that in. And all we're doing in all of these cells is then taking the change, dividing it by the base, and that's all that's required to compute a horizontal analysis. Now, let's go on and solve a vertical analysis. In a vertical analysis, we are concerned with what's the percentage of some other base, and in this case, the base we're going to use is total assets. So what I think I will do now is just erase this column here, and we'll just call this a percent, and we'll base it off of 2001, okay? So what that means is this cell has to equal that divided by the same cell, which is, I'm going to hit the F4, which locks it in for absolute referencing. Change that format to a percentage. Let's make it 1 decimal place. Okay. Now, let me just take the formatting, the lines off of there, because I think that's going to cause a little bit of harm when I copy. And I'm now going to copy that to those cells. And now I'll do the exact same thing here. I will take that cell divided by the absolute value of itself. And I'll copy that. Let's format it first with 1 decimal place. And I'll copy that then above, up. And that time I didn't clear the formatting first. So what I will do is grab from any cell using my painter, clear that, and then all we need to do is add the nice formatting there for the lines, and we've solved Part B, which is a vertical analysis.